steel beneath the morning light. Diesel dreams and headlights cutting through the night. Every cab tells a story, every mile's a frame, capturing the heartbeat of the highway game. Rolling canvas, steel and chrome, every truck's got a story to roam. Through my lens I see the pride of the road warriors side by side. Truckflicks moments frozen in time, rolling thunder in every line. From the truck stops to the loading docks, 18 wheels that never stop, mud flaps flying, exhaust stacks tall. I frame the giants that haul it all. Rolling canvas, steel and chrome, every truck's got a story to roam. Through my lens I see the pride of the road warriors side by side. Truckflicks moments frozen in time, rolling thunder in every line. Sunrise silhouettes and sunset glows, every angle, every shot shows the beauty in the working life. Through struggles, joy, and endless strife. Rolling canvas, steel and chrome, every truck's got a story to roam. Through my lens I capture more than metal, it's the trucker's core. Truckflicks moments forever bright, rolling legends in